So here's another review video of two different robotic vacuum cleaners. One is the Seagull 1000 from Aiper, and the other one is the Xtrojet 320 from Kokido. So let's see what are the main differences between these two models. And the Xtrojet comes with a brush that you can connect to this side of the robot. You cannot connect it to the other side because it's blocked. The Seagull 1000 has underneath here a long brush. It also has two different suction mouses. Whereas the Kokido version only has one suction mouse. Here you can change the position of the front wheel depending on the size of your pool. The filter is 250 microns. It runs for 90 minutes. And yeah, here's the retrieval kit that you need to adjust depending on your pool. I'm just going to put it here. So now let's see the Seagull version. You open it from underneath here. You just pull. Seems quite heavy. This is the filter, 180 microns, so it's finer filtration than the Kokido version. Two suction mouths are here. Not sure how this will hold on the long term. Yeah, not sure. Doesn't seem very strong. So let's put it back together. Also, let's put this one back together. Adjust, maybe here adjust the length also a bit. Well, let's leave it like that, and we'll try to have them vacuum my pool, which is, as you can see, a bit dirty, and let's see which one does a better job. All right. Okay guys, so as you can see, the pool is not yet completely clean because there were too many leaves. However, it seems that the two robots are not connecting anything anymore. Even the Aiper 1000 is going back and forth. So I'm gonna take them out of the water and let's see what they have collected. So I'll first start with this one. Use the hook and the retrieval kit. Very easy. There's a handle here, so use it. Turn it off. Oh, that's quite heavy. Okay, let's just set it on here first. Let's take out the other robot. Take it back from the back. You have a sign here that lets you know where you have to grab it from. So let's see who's the winner of the small battle. As usual, I'm gonna weight the debris and let's see which one has collected more. First, let's have a visual check. Huh, surprising. I thought there would have been more leaves. And let's see this one. Well, visually it seems that there's roughly the same amount of leaves. Now let's do a weight check. So here we have 65 grams. There's still a few bit of sand here, but not that much. So let's leave it at that for the moment. And the Seagull one, let's see. Oh wait, first let me check if the weight is right on zero. Should be, but oh, see, no, 2 grams. Okay. And now let's put everything in. More leaves here. So we have 56 grams versus 68 grams. So all in all, well, the Kokido robot seems to have taken more debris, and even visually you can see that this box is more filled than this one. So there you have it, guys. This was a review of 2 different products, one by Kokido and another one by Aiper. Don't forget to, as usual, like, subscribe and share the video, and I'll put the links of the products down below the description. Alright, see you guys, bye.